Welcome to Bike Future Hub, where we bring you the most detailed and insightful reviews of the latest motorcycles. Today, we have something truly special, an icon reborn. The 2026 Yamaha RX 100 is here, reviving the legendary nameplate that ruled the streets decades ago. Yamaha has combined nostalgia with modern engineering, and we're here to dissect every inch of this machine. If you're a fan of raw performance, classic aesthetics, and a bike that carries an unmatched legacy, stay tuned as we take a deep dive into the rebirth of this legend. The first glance at the Yamaha RX 100 immediately tells you that this is more than just a throwback. The design is a perfect fusion of old-school charm and contemporary upgrades. At the front, the round LED headlamp is reminiscent of the original model but with a modern touch. Yamaha has integrated a sleek DRL ring around the headlight, giving it a bold presence on the road. The classic telescopic forks are now more refined, offering better ride quality while maintaining that authentic retro appeal. The front fender is minimalistic, yet perfectly sculpted to complement the bike's muscular stance. The spoked wheels retain their old-school charm, but Yamaha offers an optional alloy variant for those looking for a sportier look. Moving to the side profile, this is where the RX 100 truly brings back memories. The fuel tank follows the same teardrop shape as the original, with bold Yamaha branding, a metallic finish, and sleek knee recesses for a comfortable grip. The flat seat is slightly upgraded for better cushioning while maintaining the traditional long, single-piece design. The engine area is neatly laid out, showcasing a well-integrated exhaust system with a modern heat shield. Yamaha has kept the classic twin-shock rear suspension, but with improved damping for a smoother ride. The chrome detailing on the side panels and exhaust adds to the nostalgia, making it a head-turner on city streets. At the rear, the RX 100 continues to embrace its heritage. The taillight is a mix of vintage and modern styling, featuring a compact LED unit housed in a slightly rectangular frame. The turn signals are positioned in a way that mirrors the original bike, but with enhanced visibility. The rear fender is minimal, maintaining the sleek and lightweight look that made the RX 100 famous. The grab rail is now more ergonomic, providing both a retro touch and added practicality for the pillion rider. Yamaha has taken a bold step by giving the new RX 100 a modern heart while keeping the soul of the original alive. Powering this machine is a 125cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine with Yamaha's latest fuel injection technology. It delivers a thrilling 15 horsepower, making it one of the most exciting bikes in the lightweight segment. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, allowing for smoother shifts and better highway performance. Unlike the original 2-stroke RX 100, this version comes with a refined 4-stroke setup, ensuring better fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a longer engine life. Yamaha has worked on the exhaust tuning to recreate the signature RX 100 sound, a crisp and sharp note that enthusiasts will absolutely love. When it comes to performance, the new RX 100 doesn't disappoint. Weighing just around 120 kilograms, this bike retains the agile and nimble characteristics that made its predecessor a street racing icon. The acceleration is sharp, reaching 0 to 60 km/h in just under 6 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The improved suspension and frame geometry ensure stability even at higher speeds, while the disc brakes on both front and rear wheels provide superior stopping power. The ride quality is comfortable, and Yamaha has fine-tuned the handling to make sure it's just as fun in city traffic as it is on open roads. Yamaha has priced the 2026 RX 100 competitively, making it accessible to both young riders and enthusiasts who cherish its legacy. The expected price range falls between a superscript 11.20 lakh to a superscript 11.40 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the variant and optional accessories. With its modern technology, nostalgic styling, and thrilling performance, this price point makes it a strong contender in the neo-retro segment. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Yamaha RX 100. Yamaha has successfully revived an icon, delivering a motorcycle that stays true to its roots while embracing modern-day performance and efficiency. Whether you're a fan of the original RX 100 or a new rider looking for an exciting, lightweight machine, This bike is sure to impress. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new RX 100. Would you love to own one? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. See you in the next video. Ride safe and stay passionate.